Welcome to Honors Academy. Today's video is specifically for people who are struggling with low views, especially new YouTubers. Have you noticed that after putting effort in shooting and uploading your content, your video still doesn't generate views? This is what you should know. This is what you need to know. Now, this is the game changer. Work with me. Let me break it down for you. 8 things you shouldn't do after uploading a video. Do not make this mistake after every upload. Number 1, do not watch your video after uploading it. If you know you won't watch that video till the end, watching your video halfway or for a few seconds can affect the visibility, because you are basically telling the algorithm that your videos are not interesting. So try to resist the urge to watch your videos unless you are sure that you're going to watch that video till the end after uploading it. That's number 1. So let's move to number 2. Number 2, do not share your video link with family and friends right after uploading it. The people you share the link with may not be interested in your content. Even if they click on it, they might not watch more than 10 seconds before closing it. So this can affect your video's performance, and the algorithm may bury it because it interprets your content as not interesting to viewers. Okay. So number 3, let's move to number 3. Number 3 is community moderation. Moderate your comment section by typing keywords you wouldn't like to see in your comment section. This will help to filter out unwanted words. Okay? Allowing negative or unhealthy comments can affect your video by sending signals to the algorithm that your content is not suitable for consumption. So YouTube might take such videos down. So pay attention to your comment sections and filter out those words that you don't want to see there. Number 4, uploading time. Studying the time when your audience is most active is very important for your content growth. YouTube makes it easy to see when your audience is active through YouTube Studio. So especially if you're targeting foreign countries like United States, don't just post randomly. Post strategically, and then make sure that you are posting at the right time, at the right hour that your audience are active. Number 5, stop the habit of changing your thumbnail or title after uploading. Leave it as it is and stop confusing the algorithm. Number 6, deleted videos. Do not delete a video just because you feel it did not perform well, especially if it has no views after a few days, weeks, or even months. No one can predict which video will go viral. A video that performs poorly at first might later become your breakthrough. So give yourself peace of mind and stop going back every minute to check whether your video is doing well or not. As long as you have used the right aspect ratio, keywords, hashtags, and ensured good video quality, relax and allow the algorithm to do its works. You don't know which of the video will perform better. So the last one, stop buying views or doing subscribe for me, I will subscribe for you. Those people are not genuinely interested in your content and will not give you the visibility you need. Take it one step at a time and focus on growing organic subscribers who genuinely look forward to your new content. I hope everything I've listed here is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Feel free to drop them in the comment section. Finally, if this post resonates with you, please subscribe, like, and comment. That way you encourage me to keep showing up. So thank you for supporting my journey, and I appreciate you all.